Welcome to all pre-pick tutorials. Today I am going to show you how to make geometric pattern Adobe Illustrator tutorial. Please watch entire tutorial. Draw a polygon shape. Select shape and double click on rotate tool. 90 degree. Outline stroke weight 2 point. Draw a vertical line. Select line and drag with Alt key for duplicate line. Ctrl D for duplicate lines. Horizontal distribute center. Draw a vertical line. Rotate 30 degree. Copy Ctrl C and paste in front Ctrl F. Select shapes and copy Ctrl C. Use Shape Builder tool Shift M. Shape Builder tool with Alt key for manage the lines. Delete. Paste in front Ctrl F. Fill color none. Select line with Alt key for duplicate line. Ctrl D for duplicate line. Again use Shape Builder tool with Alt key for manage the lines. Select all and round cap and round join. Select shape and go to object menu and pattern and make. Tile type X by row. Draw a horizontal box shape and apply pattern from swatches panel. Finally, your hexagon pattern is now ready. Please follow step by step and it's easy way to make hexagonal pattern design in Adobe Illustrator. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, comment and subscribe for new tutorials.